What's going on YouTube? How's everybody doing? Good, hopefully. Getting into the holiday season here at the humble abode. Trying to get some decorations up and stuff. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Don't have kids this year, kind of. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, we'll get to it. We're going to do a couple of these alls. AWL. This one is a Miller's Falls, and it's not in too terrible a shape, just needs cleaned up. The top looks like it's been hammered on a little bit, but it's not too bad. And then this one is really unique. There's no name or anything on it, so if anybody knows anything about it, feel free to let me know in the comment section. But I think we're going to chuck it up in the drill and try and sand it that way in the drill press. But if you could, click down on the bottom for free. It's my Christmas present. Click subscribe, and we'll get right to it. I think the kitty wants to help out, but I don't think she should be around moving parts. I bought a package of sandpaper. You know how it is when you need something, you can't find it. So I have different grades of steel wool. Can you even see? Yeah, you're good. And then I have these Scotch-Brite pads. This is very fine. This is coarse, I think. But we'll see how this works. And I don't know what I did with that sandpaper. Somewhere around here. Yes, kitty. No, you can't be on me. We'll get right to it. My father-in-law had this stuff laying around, so I'm going to try it on the dark wood. It's neutral. It says you don't need to strip it, you restore it, but I already stripped it, so it smells like acetone. Oh, the light's going dead. So it looks pretty good. I'll put a little bit more on. Then we'll go over it with wax afterwards. I'm not a woodworker, so I don't know a lot of this stuff. I have a couple of buddies that's all they do. To each their own, you know? I like it. I like working with metal. It looks really good. So let's let this dry. And then we're going to put some, this, because it's so light, we're going to go with linseed oil, and then we'll put some paste wax over it. Okay. While we're at it, let's put another coat of linseed oil on the scraper we did the other day. Usually do this, I think I got it off Scout Crafter. You do it every day for a week, then every week for a month, and every month for a year. I think, if I remember correctly. I probably don't do it how I should, but it's alright. It looks good to me. So this one's Miller's Falls. I'll put some info down in the bottom. Down here about the company. You can always look up, Google just alloy artifacts. A lot of stuff comes up on that website, and there's other websites also. Miller's Falls was a pretty popular company. This other one I like better, but it doesn't have a name on it. So, I don't know. It's beautiful wood though. It's nice and straight, really sharp. Alright, if you could, click down at the bottom, subscribe, and let me know what kind of tools you guys like to see. I got all kinds of different stuff. What do you guys want to see next? I was thinking about some fencing pliers or maybe a pipe wrench or something. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, click down there, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.